Hey guys, this is JJ. Today vlogs. This is JJ. Today we're doing something a little different, a lot different. We have two really cool airplanes I made. So shout out to Andrew. His name is Andrew Belisi. Shout out to 226 Productions. Look him up and subscribe. He's an awesome gamer. He's my friend. This camera is awesome. Jeez, it's so clear. You can see everything. So here's the two airplanes, one designed. Dropping it, but there's something moving over there, but okay, so one's over there. So we're gonna like go on my hill and drop it and see what happens. And we're gonna have a test to use longer and faster. So let's get this fun started. First I gotta get my shoe on. Shout out to Aiden Norton for watching my videos. He's awesome. He's funny. Yeah. So we're gonna start right here, and we're gonna throw these babies. So I'll do a part 2 and comment in the shout outs which airplanes I should make and what videos I should get it off. So I'm gonna start with this one. Gonna fly it. So I'm gonna fly it right here. I'm gonna go. So ready? Oh, that's pretty far. Now this one. They're both pretty far, but all in all, the one right there wins. This one is a really cool one. Watch it fly again. Whoa, quads. This one's okay. Not the best, but I'll do a part 2 right in a little bit after I post this video. It's gonna be fun. This one and all in all best. But then now we're gonna have a speed test. Watch this. That didn't go far. We need some wind for these. That's the problem. But what's the solution? What's the solution? I don't know. That's my cameraman. So we'll go over here, put a rock in one of these, see how good it will fly. Here, you take it. What? Okay, she took it. Shout out to her, or his video, Wild One Background Madness. He has 10 subscribers. He's good. Pretty good. Pretty. Not the best, but pretty. He's like me. Okay, so I put a rock in this one. Now, got it. Okay, ready? Oh, that fell right out. I'll do some upgrading. That one when I get inside. So that is JJ Today Vlogs. Remember, stay cool. Peace.